Great Base Initiative, Chapter 2, Lesson 9. The overhead, the smash, the put away, the slam. The shot that's hit over your head when your opponent throws the lob up. You can hit the ball in the air, you can hit the ball off the bounce. The overhead is an abbreviated serve. You're going to use a continental grip. It's a throwing motion. So I'm going to show you first. The ball goes up, I step back, I set the racket in what we call the quarterback position. We also call it the salute position. I want to get more than sideways to stay sideways. I don't want to use the shuffle step. I want to use the crossover step because I can take half the steps and cover twice the distance. Plus with the crossover step, I get body rotation. So the primary movement with the left hand is to be in this position. The secondary movement with the left hand is for the arm to be up. That's going to help us stay sideways, stay tall, and we let the left arm work like a reactive brake. We decelerate the left side to accelerate the right. The left hand also helps us change the grip. We're going to go from the ready position, whether we're on a composite or an Eastern up at the net, and we're going to change to number 2 in this position. So now the salute position, what I'm going to do is have the action where I'm combing my hair. Racket goes between my elbow and my head. I go around to the side like I'm talking on the telephone. Now I extend up and I give the giant the high five. I'm making the power X, the right hand over the left arm. I can see both wrists in this position. And now I turn the racket out and I bring the racket over towards my pocket. Now, Mark, if you'd move up a little bit. Mark's in the ready position. He's going to step back on the skateboard, set the racket up in the salute position right here. Left hand's on the racket first. He's really turned his body. He's coiled. Now breathe out as you hit. And he has that power line. One more time, ready position. Okay, step back. He's really turned the body. Left arm goes up, power X, hit and hold. Body's at a 45-degree angle. He's leaning in at a 45-degree angle, but his body segments from his toes to his nose are facing the net post out to the right. Okay, now Mark, back on the service line. He's in the ready position. He's going to let the ball bounce. He's going to find the contact point with lots of little steps. And back to the service line. Of all the shots, you swing up the most on the overhead because the ball's falling from such a steep angle from the lob. And again, find the ball, throwing motion, breathe out, and that's a picture of the overhead.